Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set Snowflake Wishes. Surprise, surprise, it's become one of my favorite stamp sets of this winter catalog. So I have two pieces of paper here, designer series paper called In Good Taste. So I've cut them down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I am using my Stamparatus to use instead of an acrylic block. And I have mounted all the snowflakes plus the sentiment on the door of my Stamparatus. You may be wondering about my little shot glass. It is just has a little bit of, you know, that furniture felt? It has a little bit of felt on it, so I can easily just grasp that shot glass and move it around my Stamparatus. It's because I have weak wrists and a tennis elbow right now. Like, I'm a wreck, you guys. I turned 50 and my body parts are falling off. So anyway, I just try to make my life a little easier by sort of modifying a few things here and there. And I know a lot of you have, different methods on doing things, and I just try to make it as easy for myself as possible. So you saw me use my embossing buddy. Stampin' Up! Doesn't sell them anymore. You can find one, you can make one yourself. If you have an old one, that's great. It is just to remove the static off of your designer series paper. And then you saw what I did there. I inked up with Versamark ink, and then I have applied white embossing powder to it. And then shaken off the excess, I took a little bit of time and used a dry paintbrush to sweep away any unwanted embossing particles, and here I am heating from behind. Now there's debates on whether or not this is the proper way to emboss, or whatever. I like doing it for a couple of reasons. First reason is that I can see what I'm doing. Second reason is that you can see what I'm doing. And when I'm using a thick cardstock, I do go heat emboss from the front. But, it's fun to actually watch. That's the whole thing. It's magic, right? So I used some Stampin' Seal here. This is not Stampin' Seal Plus. It's just the regular Stampin' Seal. I think a lot of people were having problems with our new adhesives. And I have had no problem whatsoever. So I live in Canada. I live in British Columbia. I live in a deserted area, even though we have the lake like 2 minutes from my apartment. I haven't had much problem. Moving on from all sorts of topics, I have completed my project. This is a Monday video. So there you go. I put the designer series paper on Whisper White thick card base. And now I am adding the adhesive back snowflake sequins. Totally my favorite embellishment. They are lasting forever. And I love the fact that it looks pink on one and yellow on the other, just because of the two different papers. I'm going to bring in a third paper just to show you that it looks really good on these neutral backgrounds. I love this design. Anyway, that's all I have to share with you today. I will see you on Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.